I almost refunded Adamix AI within the first 24 hours, but on day 3, something happened that completely changed my mind. And honestly, this is not what the sales page is telling you. So before you even think about buying Adamix AI, watch this video till the end, because you might either save your money, or use it in a much smarter way. In this video, I'm going to show you what actually happens when you use Adamix AI, the one feature that surprised me the most, and the biggest mistake beginners will make with this tool. Plus, I'll also show you something I did differently, that most people completely ignore. Now here's the truth. Adamix AI is not a magic click button make money tool. It works, but not in the way most people think. And that's exactly why many people will fail with it. So when I first logged into Adamix AI, I was honestly confused. The dashboard looked powerful, but also a bit overwhelming. Day 1. I tried using it like a beginner, and the results? Nothing impressive. Day 2. I almost gave up, because I felt like this is just another overhyped tool. But on day 3, I tested something differently, and before I show you what happened, you need to understand this part, because this is where 90% of people go wrong. Instead of just clicking random features, I focused on one specific function inside Adamix AI. Then I applied it in a real scenario, not just testing, but actually trying to get a result. And within 3 days, I started seeing something interesting, not crazy results, but definitely better than day 1. And here's the surprising part, it wasn't the main feature that worked best, it was a small setting that most people will ignore. Now let me be completely honest, this tool is not beginner-friendly if you expect instant results. You still need basic understanding of what you're doing. And if you're lazy, this won't work for you. But if you actually use it properly and focus on the right feature, then yes, it can save a lot of time and effort. Who should use, should not use? Good for affiliate marketers, content creators, and people who want to automate parts of their work. Not for people looking for instant money and complete beginners with zero patience. Now here's the thing, Adamix AI has one major weakness, and that's exactly why I created these bonuses. You'll get these bonuses through my link in the description. Bonus 1. AI Profit Setup Blueprint, value, $297. I'll show you exactly how to use Adamix AI step by step to actually get results. No confusion, no guesswork, just a clear system you can follow. Bonus 2. High Converting Traffic Method, value, $249. Because without traffic, this tool is useless. So I'll show you how to get targeted traffic that actually converts into commissions. Total bonus value more than $500 free with purchase. So, after testing Adamix AI, here's my honest conclusion. It's not perfect, but if you use it the right way, it can definitely give you an edge. If you want to check it out, I've put the link in the description. You'll also get my bonuses that make this tool much more powerful. But again, don't buy it blindly. Use it smartly. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in next video.